guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna be making a lava dough in Minecraft. Okay, so just if you have any items in your inventory, if you're in survival, just keep them in your chest. Okay, and then just get these items that I'm about to tell you. Okay, so what you're gonna need is some building blocks. It should be non-flammable. If it's flammable, you're dead. If it's non-flammable, you're alive. I mean, your house is dead. I mean, if it's flammable, your house is dead. But if it's not. I mean, if it's flame resistant, your house is alive. It's like the best thing on the planet. Okay, and of course you're gonna need signs. I almost forgot the signs. Okay, and then what you're gonna need to do. I mean, what you're gonna do is do like this. Okay, then just place those two blocks up. Okay, then place two observers like this. Okay, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, then place the dispenser facing down. Place the dispenser facing down. Okay, then what you're gonna have to do is break that. Okay, then place the lava bucket in each one of these. Okay, then of course cover this up. Okay, then place an oak button here. An oak button which should activate that. If you want to close it, just obviously do that. And as you can see, the lava will be in it. It would not be good currently, so it's not such an efficient build currently, but we're about to change that. Okay, so now we're done with the lava dough. Okay, and then this is all you have to do. So it's a really simple build. It's quite useful to keep your intruders away, and yeah, it's pretty useful. Okay, so how this lava dough works, that you press this button and you get maximum security with the lava, like you can't go through in survival. And then when you do this, the lava goes up and you've won. And it creates some flame defense as well, and if you don't want to just extinguish the fire. And I hope you guys enjoyed. The reason I wanted to build like this build is that it's really simple. It's like really short build. You just need to put like a piston and then the observer and then just two lava buckets and two dispensers. So it's really easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you learned something new in this video. And if you did not learn something new, that's still okay. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Adi Raptor Gaming out.